Foxy friend, welcome back to my channel and season's greetings. It is the festive season and today I'm going to be showing you one of the techniques that is included in my new Christmas crochet pattern called Christmas Loading. Yes, these beautiful ornaments you can make with pretty much whatever you have lying around in your craft room. It is beginner friendly, it's super easy. Give your Christmas tree that little handmade oomph you need this Christmas. I'll be showing you how to do the double crochet cluster that's featured in this pattern. Let's get into it. For purposes of this video, I'm just going to be working backwards and forwards here in a bit of a swatch, but as you can see here, I have worked the clusters in a round. Same concept. This video is just going to be showing you the technique so you can really get an idea of what it looks like and how to do it, as sometimes a written instruction can be a little confusing, and you'll be able to apply this to anything, especially for this pattern. I am using US terminology here. If you are used to UK, this would be a treble cluster. So to start this off, I have chained 2 here. I have my panel here. I have 12 chains or 12 single crochets that I'll be working into. So with your cluster, you're always going to start with 1 loop on the hook. That's your working loop. Essentially, what we're going to be doing is making 3 unfinished double crochets. And this is how we do it. So you yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2. That's your first unfinished double crochet. You have 2 on the loop, 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2. You now have 2 unfinished double crochets and you'll have 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So you will now have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the hook, and you can see here this was my chain 2 and I have 1, 2, 3 unfinished double crochets. Now we're going to finish the cluster by yarning over and pulling through all 4. So it's going to look something like this. Now let's do it again. I'm just going to chain 2. I'm going to skip 2 stitches here just so you can see the clusters. So what do we start off with? We've got our 1 on the hook, yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop. There's your first. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2. You have now 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. You're always going back into that same stitch. So you can see here, 1, 2, 3 unfinished double crochets, and we've got 4 on the hook. Pull through all 4. We'll do it one more time. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2. There's your first one, 2 on the hook. Again, 1, 2, and you've got 3 in the hook. Over, your last DC, unfinished DC. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see there I've got 3 unfinished double crochets, and then I pull through all 4. Here it is sped up a little bit for you. We've now got to the end, and I'll put my last one in. So you can see here, the clusters. And that's how you make the double crochet cluster that's featured in my Christmas